Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the second challenge prompt for this month, that word being wings. Now as some of you guys may know, I absolutely love birds. Ah! Okay, so with this piece having the word being wings, I was really thinking about doing a bat at first, but then I chose to go with a cardinal. I love cardinals because one, they're just absolutely beautiful, and they really do have a very personal meaning for me as well. So I thought it would be a lot of fun to make this piece during the holiday seasons. With this one, I chose to scratch out the lighter areas more, and then keep the dark areas a little more sparse with the etching. I do apologize with the footage being really hard to see. It was hard to get my camera to get it just right with how metallic the foil was underneath. I did my best to keep the focus on the areas that I was working on to kind of help out a little bit. But I really hope you guys like this piece, but I am going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word wings. Now I think this turned out really good, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!